Today I want to talk about the urban development evaluation of the BRICS and the G7 country from 2004 to 2013. So the first map shows the G7 countries and BRICS countries' location. So first of all, what is BRICS? In economic, BRICS is a group that refers to countries of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, which are demand to be a similar stage of the newly advanced economic development. For the G7, which members are Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the United Kingdom, the United States, and the European Union. These countries are 7 major advanced economies reported by IMF. My data from the World Bank database and series data include urban and rural measurements data such as urban population in the largest city, which has total 9 attributes, as well as DMSP OLS nightlight data, and which can use to detect night lights from human settlements, especially used to observe the urban development. I used the Pandas, which is a kind of Python library, as well as ArcGIS, which is a geography information system application. I use this application to process the DMSP OLS datasets. For the data visualization and analysis part, I use Pandas, Plotly, and Google Charts. The first chart shows improved sanitation facilities for the urban and the rural area. The red triangle showed the world average level. For the rural of the Brazil and India, the sanitation facilities still need to improve. For the most BRICS countries, the urban sanitation facilities still need to improve. The last 2 histograms show the improved water source of the urban and the rural area. So the rural area of South Africa and the urban area of the India still need to improve. This histogram shows the urban population from 2005 to 2013. So we can see that China had a huge urban development, as well as India. Other countries remain stable. This slide charts show the urban population growth. So we can see the Germany population had huge wave from 2011 to 2014. The growth of the other countries remained reduced, but South Africa remained increase. This chart shows the population in the largest city. So we can see for the Japan, over 6% urban population in the largest city, and this number still increase. From this line chart, I compared the G7 BRICS and the world, as well as BRICS and G7, these 4 values. And we can see the G7 remains stable, but the BRICS have a huge increase. That means these 12 countries occupied over than 60% of the world urban population. So this is a motion chart. X-axis represents the urban population, and the y-axis represents the population in the larger city. And the bubble size means the total population. So the different bubbles shows different countries. So on the upper right corner means that huge urban population, as well as most urban population in the larger city. But in the lower left corner means that small urban population, as well as most urban population not in the larger city. So the timeline allows us to catch up each country population changed from the 2005 to 2013. So for the European Union, Japan, and South Africa, the urban population increase ratio is lower than the population increase ratio in the largest city. But for India and China, the urban population increase ratio faster than the population increase ratio in the largest city. This is 2005 DMSP OLS nightlight imagery. We can see the highest value means the high frequently human activities, as well as more urban area. The lowest value represents the few frequently human activities and less urban area. So this is a G7 countries legend. This is a BRICS country legend. And this is 2013. Through the several analyses, I got the urban population in the BRIC countries grows faster than the G7 country, but some urban area and the rural area, the facilities of the BRIC countries still need to improve. And meanwhile, for the most G7 countries, the urban population more than like to gather in the largest cities. Thank you for your watching.